4 million naira. So maybe we'll pick go to where we did it first.
The shop when we started hearing that they have killed somebody, that we should close. We all ran away. We all ran to our various shops, started packing. Coming out, even the cars, we left our cars. Running out of the shops to come out, we saw fire everywhere. Now, so many shops have been burned down, reaching to the management building. You can see for yourself. Some cars are being smashed, some are being burned, some are still burning. So that is all I can say for what I know.
I was at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. I was at the mosque trying to perform ablution. The next thing I saw was a young guy, yes, trying to run from a van. You get. So immediately I saw him going outside. Before the people that are chasing him, they now come back that they have killed the boy. The next thing, everybody now started coming out that the market is not, the market has turned to something else. So, yes.
What I be saying at task force, that they pursue people who don't do anything in the market. So where they hawk. So this boy now in a piece, he come piece. They hold him, carry and go lock for this place. So Today is Tuesday. They are taking the boy to the court. So every Tuesday. So as they carry the boy to come outside to take to court, the boy with handcuff, the boy now run away. So the Musa tell them to pursue them. Musa tell them to shoot them. They shoot the boy 2 times. The boy die. They carry and come here. See the police station here. They carry and come. And so the riot start. That's why they bomb everywhere. Now what happened? Now Musa caused this. Nobody say nobody they hide anything. Task force in Wuse Market, Abuja. Now Musa caused them. Nothing to hide there now. Yes, Musa is a bastard. He has not seen anything. Musa, there were problem.
Musa is task force. It's not the police. It's a task force. It's a task force. He has been tormenting everybody in Musa. He will send people to prison. They will pay. He will release the person. That is what he has been doing.
For shooting tear gas. Tear gas entered that zig. That's what caused that fire. It's a policeman. He shot a tear gas that entered the ceiling. That's what caused the fire. Look at people's shop condemned. They cannot go free. They should give us Musa. Musa must face the justice here.
About 1 hour ago, we received the distress call that there is fire outbreak in Wuse Market. Immediately, we turned out our fire appliance with water tankers. Joined with other responders, Federal Fire Service and bigger. When we got here, we saw that about 5 shops were already on fire. So immediately what we could do is to stop the spread of fire to the both adjacent shops, both left and right. By the grace of God, now the fire is under control and we are still doing damping. For now, we cannot ascertain the immediate cause of the fire outbreak until we carry out our investigation. That is why we can say that this is the cause of the fire outbreak. Thank you so much.
As you can see, there was a fire outbreak in the market, and we received the distress call. However, the distress call came late, but the FCT Fire Service and Federal Fire Service and juliusabure, as you can see, they are all on ground. We were able to activate all the stakeholders, and the police came for crowd control. There was another incident which will be explained by the police themselves. For now, the cause of the fire outbreak cannot be certain. We cannot say what exactly caused the fire outbreak. Our major aim is to make sure we're able to put out the fire and to also save lives and properties. However, few properties have been lost, but investigations will soon be, we still have an investigation to find out the actual cause of the fire outbreak and what led to the other incident.
We had an alarm that there's a fire at Wuse Market, so all of us came. So we came here and we called fire service, and they have arrived, and they have helped to quench the fire. And so just only few vehicles that were burned, and about 5 or 6 shops that were burned. But we are trying to get to the root of the matter. Let us find out what exactly happened.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.